belatedly. So an allowance can be made for you in the long run while proceedings of the offences is commenced before the respective court of law, but you cannot be absolved of the liability you have already incurred being law-abiding citizen and being responsible officer and minister for the government of Sindh. My dear brother, the fundamental laws are to be implemented with regard to the transparency in avoiding the context. So you are therefore requested from this platform to please openly declare support and join hands with me if at all you are sincere enough in taking the culprits involved primarily responsible to task. So join hands with me and appear before the respective magistrate where I intend to file a direct complaint, because it is the honorable court which is the proper forum. Police cannot be banged upon, because police, as far as the police is concerned, the case registered with the police is always considered to be of secondary importance, where once the private complaint is lodged with the magistrate. So primacy is always given to the direct complaint registered under section 200 CRPC. So in order to have the matter investigated, inquired into properly and thoroughly, we need to file a direct complaint, because we are officers of the court and we know the less qualified police personnel cannot do justice to us. So therefore, by approaching the magistrate concerned to set the law in motion in the shape of filing direct complaint, it will serve the purpose. And your presence before the magistrate of your own or on my request will go a long way in threshing out all the legal and factual controversies involved and taking to task all the culprits, whether elected or unelected, who had been in hand gloves with one another in causing colossal loss to the national, to the public exchequer. So my dear brother, you shall do contact with me, and my cell number is 030333 318 9667.